Today's question: calculate the volume of 0.1 molar sulfuric acid that reacted with 25 cubic centimeters of 16.2 grams per liter of sodium carbonate. Before we start, the concentration of sodium carbonate given is in grams per liter, so we need to determine the concentration in moles per liter of sodium carbonate. Let us determine the relative formula mass of sodium carbonate. That is 23 times 2 plus 12 times 1 plus 16 times 3, giving a total of 106. From the theory of molar concept, the RFM of any compound contains 1 mole. Therefore, 106 grams of sodium carbonate contains 1 mole. Then, what about the 16.2 grams of sodium carbonate? Will contain 1 times 16.2 over 106. These are moles, giving 0.1528 molar or 0.1528 moles per liter. It is moles per liter because we have used grams per liter to calculate this number of moles. Therefore, it is moles per liter. In the next step, we are to determine the moles of sodium carbonate that reacted. 1,000 cubic centimeters or a liter of sodium carbonate contains the moles in a liter or contains the molarity. What about the portion of sodium carbonate used, that is 25 cubic centimeters of sodium carbonate, will contain 0.1528 times 25 over 1,000. These are moles, giving 0.00382 moles of sodium carbonate that reacted. Let us try to write the equation of the reaction between sodium carbonate and sulfuric acid in order to determine the reaction ratio. The mole ratio of this equation is 1:1. Next, we are to determine the number of moles of sulfuric acid that reacted. From the equation, 1 mole of sodium carbonate reacted with 1 mole of sulfuric acid. What about the 0.00382 moles of sodium carbonate will react with 1 times 0.00382 over 1. These are moles, giving 0.00382 moles of sulfuric acid that reacted. Next now, the volume of sulfuric acid that reacted. The molarity of sulfuric acid was given, that is 0.1 moles of sulfuric acid are in a liter or are in 1,000. The molarity is always in a liter. Therefore, what about the moles of sulfuric acid that reacted are in which volume? That is 1,000 times the moles that reacted, which is 0.00382 over 0.1. These are cubic centimeters. And finally, the volume that reacted is 38.2 cubic centimeters of sulfuric acid. Please add this video to your favorite for future use. Follow, like, and comment on this video. Don't forget to visit my YouTube channel. This is Sulfur 16, the chemist.